Want to sell printed books on your Shopify store without handling inventory? Here's how to connect Lulu for print on demand. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and clicking Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. Search for Lulu Direct, which is Lulu's official print-on-demand app. Click Add App, then Install App. Once installed, open the app and click Connect Lulu Account, then log into your Lulu account to authorize the connection. After connecting, click Create Product and upload your book's interior PDF and cover file. Choose your book size, binding type, and pricing options. When the setup is complete, click Sync to Shopify. The book will automatically be added as a product in your Shopify store, ready for customers to purchase. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Lulu and ready to sell print-on-demand books. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.